I can't find the words. I can't find the words. What do you do when you can't find the words? I've had little kids who have, pounded themselves on the head, because it works for the ketchup. I mean, when you watch them, you see them, they've got the words in there. So what you can do is you can say, if you know what you want to say, just take a breath and sit back. We'll be quiet. Give them the space. I recently put a video out there on listening because I think listening was one of the hardest things for me as a teacher and a parent. Is I always want to go in and solve the problem for them, and I want to solve it so quickly that I didn't allow the time to just sit back and just listen and give them what they call that dead air space. Like, give kids a chance to find the words without saying, so what do you think? You got that? Maybe you're thinking this. Maybe, stop, just stop. And set a classroom where kids are allowed to, have that space. It takes that anxiety off of them. And for our younger kids, it's super, super important to know that it's okay to take the time.